Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to fill a simple numeric day or date series. To create a table like this, we may input our data one by one. However, the quickest way is using the series function. To create a series, here we input the first data of the series. When we move the cursor to the lower right corner of the cell, it shows a fill handle. If we drag it down, we see an increasing series. When we release mouse button, the data fill in automatically. Using the same method, here we got a day series. Besides, we may also drag the fill handle right. If the series doesn't fill in correctly, we may click Autofill Options button. On the menu, we click Fill Series. Now the series is filled correctly. And here we got our table. If we drag the fill handle up, we can get the decreasing series. To get the decreasing series, we may also drag the fill handle left. To create a series with increments more than 1, firstly, we input and select the first two data in the series. When we drag the fill handle down, the series is created automatically. If we drag the fill handle right, here we got another series. To get a decreasing series, we may drag the fill handle up, or we may drag it left. Thanks for watching.